Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
Goodness gracious, look at this little beauty here. So we are at Future Homes at Ocean Isle Beach in North Carolina. Going to be taking you through Nationwide's Camilla plan. Now, one thing that's pretty unique about this plan is the Camilla can be what you're going to call a front end loader, where the front door is, or the plan is more front to back rather than side to side. But if you think you might want to go the opposite direction with it, it can be more of a traditional layout, going side to side rather than front to back. Maybe your land works out to where, you know, having this covered porch off the side and stuff would be super handy, make your everyday life more convenient. Then you might go kind of with something like this. So similar to our model there in Burlington, they went with the red vertical siding on all parts of this home. It is just a stunner when you're going down the road. That red just kind of grabs you and holds on to you, won't let you go. You are seeing some optional awnings over the double window there. That is a factory included front porch. So that front porch comes from Nationwide. We at Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington are not going to build that. We just build the steps up to it. It's part of the roof line, whatever you want to call it. Now this turn gable up above the door is optional. Okay, that is a 20-foot turn gable with a crowfoot accent and vertical siding and all that. That would be extra or optional, okay? And then whatever came off this door, a big porch, deck, screen porch, whatever, is going to be built on site by us, Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington, okay? So we obviously cover the central region of the state, but if you are building over here on the East Coast, look at Future Homes, okay? Just love this red vertical siding. Hard to beat. Got a nice little cozy front porch here. So let's get in here and take a look. I can already tell you got the black hardware package today. Knobs, hinges, shower heads, water faucets. That is one of our 3 included front doors in the novel series. Just remember the Heartland series starts with a solid panel door. Love it. I love the beams. So you are seeing the 8-foot ceilings today, which is where we start you. You're seeing that optional molding around the doors and windows, that craftsman style squared off look. Beautiful ceiling fan. I just love the beams. Very pretty. They're very affordable too. So I'm going to get to the end of kind of the living room and look back. There's that front door or side door, depending on your lot and how you're going to use this plan. This is the Camilla by Nationwide, okay? And again, my name is Shields and I'm with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington. We are located at 2450 North Church Street in Burlington, North Carolina, zip code 27217. Our office number is 336-226-9066. Be sure to ask to speak with me. All right, on to the kitchen. Got some of our included beautiful white cabinets everywhere except for the island. That is going to be one of our optional island colors, that deep naval blue. I just love that. One of our 2 included range hoods, 5 can lights, 2 pendant lights, a window over the sink. Lighting is not going to be an issue today or with this plan. So let's see here. Here's the Camilla. Here's where we went in to that factory front porch. Again, it's more of an front end loader, so it's going to be working front to back. We are standing right here at the island. We went through the dining. We started in the front living room, and we're going to check out this side of the house next. But the Camilla is right at 1,405 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, okay? You are seeing the optional window blinds. Call those $1,000 to run those throughout. Then you see the black hardware and knobs. I've already hit on that, but that is part of the black trim package. Wow. For 1,400 square feet, I mean, it's checking a lot of boxes. That's just kind of showing you we do have optional shelving now, upgraded shelving from Nationwide, so we don't have to do it on site anymore. And then you've got a rear loading utility room. Just a nice, solid utility room, washer and dryer hookup, recessed dryer vent, all that. There's your 200 amp panel box. Luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main spaces and wet areas. It's a great rule of thumb to live by. If you want flooring throughout, you're just paying for the bedroom. So let's turn right. I've got a storage closet. And then here's that master suite. Two single windows there. Make for a perfect place for your dresser like they're showing. Got a barn door taking us to that master closet. Really good sized bedroom. I've walked this plan a few times. I don't think I have one on the YouTube channel yet, but a very popular front end loading plan. Nice solid walk-in closet. I like how they went with the barn door just to free up some floor space there, or the pocket door. The pocket door is a little cheaper, but it doesn't give you that look visually if you like it. If you like the look of the barn door, that is. So let's check out this primary bath. Dual sink vanity, white frame mirrors. Those are some of our optional vanity lights that go with that black trim package. Freestanding toilet with a window up above. Got a linen closet. Throw your toilet paper and some towels and be good to go. And then you've got the 4x6 shower. So I have shown you some 4x6 showers recently with the sliding barn door. This is going back to what you've seen more often, which is just kind of that open air concept with the glass wall type feel. They've got something kind of showing you an example of those new optional barn roller shower door. Just remember that with the 4x6 and the 4x8, the rain head and the wand and the ceramic tile are included. The shampoo box built into the wall or transom windows are going to be extra, okay? Let's make our way to those spare bedrooms and we will be all set. All right. We've got bed 2, bed 3, and bath 2. Let's knock out bath 2. I'll show you one of the bedrooms. They're about the exact same size, same closets and all. Solid bath 2. I love the transom window up above the shower to let in even more natural light. And here's an example of the spare bedrooms. Look at that big old thick base molding there. Beautiful. It's the little things for me. And then you've got your closet. So the secondary spare bedroom is super similar to this. All right, guys, so that's it for today. I'll just show you real quick. Double window for natural light. Solid bedroom 2 and 3. All right, so we walked the Camilla today right at 1,400 square feet. This is a 2-module plan. It is kind of unique in that sense that it does include a factory included porch on that, on that 2-module plan. And it is very unique in the sense of it really can go both ways. Is it a front end loader? Is it a traditional, side to side style plan? What is it? What does your lot call for? What do you like? So just keep that in mind. This plan is on our website. Give me a shout if you've got questions. My email is shields, SHIELDS, at nccustommodulars with an S.com. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Get on there, click subscribe. New videos every Monday and Thursday. Thank you guys. Take care.